Hello. We were on a 6-day visit. We visited Muktinath, Upper Mustang, Sinja Zone Cave, Marfa Bazar, bathed in hot water, visited Kalika Bhagwati Temple. We also reached the longest suspension bridge in Nepal and Panchkot Dham in Bagling. And today we stayed at the lake side of Pokhara. On the last day, tomorrow, we plan to spend a day in Pokhara. I have already posted videos of these places I visited. If you also want to travel like this, I've provided the link in the description. Don't forget to go and check it out. Today I'm making a video about the places we visited in Pokhara in a day. Let's get started. Did you know that Pokhara has been declared as the tourism capital of Nepal? Various structures have been built here to attract tourists, and many are in the process of being built. Pokhara itself is also a tourist destination in its own right. In the morning, we had prayed of the Barahi deity in the lake located in Pheva Lake. Pheva Lake is a freshwater lake in Nepal, located in the south of the Pokhara Valley, also known as Badam Lake. It is the second largest lake in Nepal after Rara Lake and the largest lake in the Gandaki province in terms of water resources. It is the most popular and most visited lake in Nepal. Pheva Lake is located at an altitude of 742 meters and covers an area of about 5.7 square kilometer. Its maximum depth is 24 meters. The maximum water capacity of the lake is about 43 million cubic meters. It is about 28 kilometers linear distance away from the Annapurna range of lakes to the north. The lake is also famous for its reflection of the Machapuchre Himal and other mountains of the Annapurna and Dhaulagiri ranges. The Tal Barahi Temple, located in the middle of Pheva Lake, is the most important religious monument in Pokhara. Tal Barahi Temple, also known as Tal Mandir or Barahi Mandir, is a Hindu temple of Barahi Devi. It is the most important religious monument in Pokhara, Nepal. The temple is located on a small island in the middle of Pheva Lake. Since the temple is located on a small island, the only way to reach it is by boat. The temple is a symbol of the manifestation of Ajima, which represents female power. Devotees visit the temple during the Nepali months of Vaishakh, April to May, and Kartik, November to December. Devotees especially come to worship the goddess Barahi during Dashain. Below are the legends associated with the Barahi temple. Long ago, there was no pond. Instead, there was a large settlement in the place. One evening, an old yogi went to this settlement and went from house to house asking for a place to stay for the night. An old woman agreed to take him in but said that she had nothing to eat except thotoko roti. He happily ate the food and slept on the porch. Before leaving the next day, he told the old woman that the area of the settlement was shrinking underwater, so he should move to a safer place. The yogi's prediction came true and the settlement was submerged, forming a large lake. However, the old woman managed to escape. Later, in 1467 AD, she died. After her death, people started worshipping the idol of Khair. Heavy rains brought some parts of the idol to the current location of the Tal Barahi temple. On the same night of the rain, King Kulmandan Shah of Kaski had a dream in which he instructed to install the idol in the middle of the lake. Then he established the Tal Barahi temple. Another story about this temple in the middle of the lake is this. In the past, the idol of Tal Barahi was installed somewhere above the lake, Magthum. When the water level started to decrease, there was a heavy rain and the goddess floated in the middle of the lake. It is believed that the goddess prefers to live in water, so she floats in the current location of the temple. The dream of King Kulmandan Shah of Kaski to build the Tal Barahi temple is also followed by this story. Fewa Lake originated from the unification of the Harpan River and the Khare, Andheri River, which flow from the same area. Therefore, there is some truth and factual information in the legends of the formation of the Tal Barahi temple. The temple of Tal Barahi is a two-story pagoda-style temple. It is situated amidst many species of trees. In the past, the temple was a small hut made of mud, with a thatched roof and a small door in the shape of a window. The temple was reconstructed in a grand and beautiful area by King Mahendra in 2017. The renovation project was led by Overseer Engineer Ram Bahadur Shrestha. Chairman Hikmat Kumwar says that the engineer himself heard that the project was completed for only 80,000 rupees. Since the earthquake of 2072 BS also caused some damage, the complete construction of this temple is currently being done by the Kaligads of Bhaktpur. Tal Barahi Devi is believed to fulfill the wishes of her devotees with a pure heart. Therefore, we can find many devotees who visit for good health and happiness. Many offer offerings as a token of gratitude when their wishes are fulfilled. In the past, there was a practice of Paach Bhakal, where people used to sacrifice 5 species simultaneously when their wishes were fulfilled. However, this practice is no longer continued.
Camera gari khechna lada. Ake thom makenga jimuku. Thom makenga jimuku. कौन है यार? हम लोग टीचर ना था। टीचर ना स्टाफ लोग टीचर फ्री चली नहीं। ये हाथ में दर्द होने ये। लाई। पाराई को यात्रा। कोचिंग तो केवल काटा होने हुए को। केवल काटा रहा हुए का। लेकिन गाने का पैरा का ये। चला। कैमरा जो है mana? Ini कैमरा चिंगा mana? Foto कैमरा. Viswa Santi Stupa. Lah, mulai datang apa? Kamera apa ini? Naulpur. Kami Kathmandu आगो. dah yang mana tamu ini ya? Bakar mana? Ayo. Wah, kira ada ke banyak muka? Sudah baca pun. उसमा फेवातालको तालबाराई मन्दिरको मर्मत कार्य भइराखेको रहेछ, अर्थात् पुरै पुनर्निर्माण भइरहेको रहेछ, जहाँका कालीगरहरू अथवा कामदारहरू हाम्रै साथीहरू अथवा भक्तपुरबाट गएका रहेछन्। यसरी मठ मन्दिर बनाउने कालीगरहरू भक्तपुरबाट माग्ने गरेको पाइन्छ।
हामीले घुमेको धेरै जसो मठ मन्दिरहरू भक्तपुरका कालीगढहरूको मेहनत परेको देखिन्छ। हामीलाई स्वागत स्वरूप उहाँहरूले आफैले ब्ल्याक टी पकाएर पनि खुवाउनु भयो।
खला नभए नोखो दिएको त खला यसमा त अचिन्ता दासियो भए भन्दा ऊ खासे झियो दिएको नभए फ्लङ सिस्टम भएको म यथा दियो देखि म भक्तपुर मन्दिर सती मेनमा दियो है मरु दियो देखि मैले भक्तपुर सती र
मेन जाना दा टपटेगा मेन ठिकै छे मछिने
अझै वो अठोमेगा सालरको टमाल लोम ल बजो खोज्या सुर्या गुल्डेरा 6 मिनट ला बुढी टाइम लगे जिखो ख्यान मरु 2-3 वर्ष लगे जिला ली जिमुखला या फासु छ त्यो प्लान्सी गुल्टी युज हो पुके ढो लागि छु प्लान युज होला दुधा या मुखला ठो अग्राडेको छु अग्राड 5 पॉइंट लगे
दाजिमन दान मुखला
तो लोरे लो नभन लोटे दतो छु
दाजिमन
नभन लोटे दतो
अब रोन लाटो
पछि साइज मिले जो लोन लगम ला
सुन सुन पनि लोन लगा
छोडेर तू है सारे घुमेर ए नानु नाचौँ भजन गाउने नाचौँ ए नानु यहाँ नाच्नुपर्छ जिब्रासानमा ल नाच नाच ल नाच
Then we reached Davis Falls. Pokhara's most famous place, Pheva Lake, which is also the second largest lake in Nepal, flows underground after reaching Patle Chango. And after reach ING 1 kilometer through Gapteshwar Mahadev, it appears in Fusrekhola. Yes. Today we are talking about Patle Chango. Hello, I am Anil Deshamru. I have prepared videos about many places I have visited. Usually we go on group tours, which is very fun and memorable, which you can watch on my channel.
रेडी 1 2 3
You should not forget to subscribe to my channel and watch it. Patle Chango is a waterfall located in Pokhara, Kaski district of Nepal. It is 100 feet deep and about 20 feet wide. It is also known as Davis Falls. It has an incident. On 31st July 1961, a Swiss couple were bathing under the waterfall. At the same time, the dam of Pheva Lake opened. The couple did not know about it and Mrs. Davis was pulled by the shock and fell into the hole. Her body was found 3 days later in the Fusre River. After her death, her father is said to have visited the waterfall where his daughter died. After visiting the waterfall, he was impressed by the waterfall and thought that it should be a place for people to visit and enjoy. He provided some money to develop the land around the waterfall and wanted to make it a tourist destination. This is how the waterfall is also said to have been named Davis Falls. But today, it is surrounded by fences on all sides, making it a very attractive destination for both domestic and foreign tourists.
Hey. Bye.
For this, the premises include a Newar architectural pavilion, a park, a famous well, and a photo booth with Nepali traditional costumes. It is worth resting in the pavilion, and many people also take photos in the traditional photo booth. In addition, in the Bhagya Pokhri, or well, built there, visitors can earn luck by throwing coins into the statue of God. During the rainy season, the sound of this waterfall and the flow of water are breathtaking.
त्यसपछि हामी गेविस फलको अवलोकन भ्रमणमा निस्क्यौँ।
छिको माग्दैन वाह टिकट सुन्दै टिकट मागेको छ मुखिया जी टिकट मागेको छ मुखिया वाह टिकट मागेको छ ढोर
धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। श्री श्री प्रसादजीका कुछु लघु बने
कस्तो डार्क भइसक्यो
कुछु लघु बने सङ्गु मतिमास जुन छुए पानीमा धोका भगवानले दिन्छ न श्री श्री
सबैजना आइरहेछ है बाई काठमाडौँ देखियो तपाईँहरू कहाँ देखियो और नाम हो नया फोर्स दिपले चाहिँ उयो अनुसार जीव भयो मोबाइल में काटेछ जीव Ulipati ndio wana pamoja. Ulipati akakuliko. Sebenci tayar. Nah, kau juga zoom saja. तो भाई और कौन है? ये देखो खूब देखो। लो न्यूवार्नी महिंसा है भाई।
Now we reached the temple of Gapteshwar Mahadev, which is located next to Devi's Fall. Gapteshwar Mahadev cave is also one of the most famous places in Pokhara. The water of Favtal flows through the Fusre river, which is 1 kilometer away from Devi's Fall, Gapteshwar Mahadev cave. Yes, Today we are talking about Gupteshwar Mahadev. Gupteshwar Mahadev cave is known as Bhalu Dulo in the local language. This cave is located just 100 meters from Davis Falls. Also, since it is a Mahadev in a secret place, it is called Gupteshwar Mahadev. The ancestors of this area called this place Ujad Khatri Tara. At that time, a stream of water came out of the cave at Khatri Tara. The total length of this cave is 2,950 meters. This cave is one of the longest caves in Nepal. But this cave is not so long naturally, but it came to this state when people carved it. This cave was officially established only in 1994. Due to which today we can see the water of the goddess's fruit flowing. But when there is a lot of water flowing, we cannot enter the cave, but inside the cave, the sound of the roar of water can be heard. According to local beliefs, the cave is said to have been discovered in the 16th century. Today, we can see many artworks and carvings carved here to attract tourists. The main entrance to the cave was built only in 1991. As you enter there, you will also see many shops on the narrow path, and right in front there is a ticket counter, a concrete balcony and a spiral staircase. When you go down, you can see many artworks related to Hinduism. The main cave is divided into two chambers. The second section of the cave is closed during the rainy season to prevent people from drowning due to high water levels. The cave is dark and sometimes lit. As you go deeper into the cave, you can see small temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. There is a shed where there is a statue of a Kambenugai. It is believed to be very old. Upon closer inspection, you can see a cow standing on a Shiva Linga. This cow gives the message that it is protecting Lord Shiva. As you move forward, you can see small shrines and small statues of Hindu gods. However, photography is prohibited there. There are also stone structures and small water pools inside the cave. The cave can be visited from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. The interior of the cave may be closed during the rainy season, but other areas remain open throughout the year. While exploring the existence of this cave, one day, they saw a strange place covered with grass, which later turned out to be a cave, and inside it they found various pictures and statues of Hindu gods and goddesses, in which there were figures of gods like Mahadev, Parvati, Nageshwar and Saraswati. While digging, they saw a waterfall sound and water flowing there, which came from Devi's fall. While searching, they found an idol like Lord Shiva. This cave got its name from the idol of Shiva. The cave is a popular pilgrimage site in Nepal. There is a huge crowd here during festivals like Chetedashe and Mahashivratri. There is a lot to see and learn while visiting the Gupteshwar Mahadev cave in Pokhara. It is still in the process of development. If you are visiting such a cave for the first time, this will be a good opportunity to learn about its history and mysteries. Also, in this area, we will get to see Budhanilkantha and Shesh Nag etc.
पोखरा चाहिँ चाहिए मैले यहाँ बुझ्नु नआएको
बाटो भएको गाएको भएर नुनु छिटाली भएर
Sirve en la ronda. Yo asam yo maskan ya room bagi suke call ke gini. No entry. Boleh nih? Ini kayak tuh loh. 유튜브에서 유난선에서 Bawa अलबत्ती थपे यहाँ दिएको अलबत्ती थपे यहाँ दिएको वाह बोला तो फिर क्या मिलना नू मुक्ता कर गया नू अरे जी मुको अक्षर जी आला वाला कितने न्यारा छुपा था आज मुझे हटा दो पानी को अभी सब दिन जगह है
Now it's time to visit Pumdikot Mahadev statue. The second tallest Shiva statue in Nepal was completed in Pokhara's Pumdi Bhundi VDC recently. Since it was built in Pumdi Bhundi VDC, it is called Pumdikot Mahadev. The statue of Kailashnath Mahadev in Bhaktpur is the tallest Shiva statue in Nepal. It is the tallest statue of Lord Shiva in the world so far. It is 143 feet tall. Located on a hill in Pokhara, Kaski district of Nepal at an altitude of 1,500 meters above sea level, Pumdikot Mahadev is 51 feet tall. It sits on a 3-story white stupa that adds 57 feet to the height, making the entire structure 108 feet tall. This Shiva statue was built in Mathura, India and brought to Nepal and installed. The idol complex has 108 Shiva lingas on 2 floors. That is, there are a total of 216 Shiva lingas, which surround the idol at the base. The Damru of Lord Shiva is 31 feet high, which is the largest in Asia. The idol of Shiva can be seen facing the southwest direction, as Lord Shiva is believed to always face Mount Kailash. The construction of the idol has promoted the place as a religious tourist destination. Not only tourist, but Pumdikot has historical and cultural importance. In ancient times, there was a temple of Bhumeshwar Mahadev on the hill. It was considered a Shakti Peeth, and it is believed that the wishes of farmers would be fulfilled here. Also, during the Bese and Shobais kingdoms, the Pumdikot hill was used by the Shah kings as a fortress in an important battle. Before the Bese and Shobais kingdoms were divided small kingdoms within Nepal before Nepal was unified into one country. Also, it is believed that the Shah kings used to pray for strength on the hill before going to war with the Nuwakot kings. The Shah kings considered this area as a Shakti Peeth and would pray here before battles for victory over their enemies. In ancient times, the hill had a temple dedicated to Bhumeshwar Mahadev, known as Shakti Peeth. It is considered a powerful center of spiritual energy where the wishes of farmers are fulfilled. The area is crowded and festive during Haritalika Teej. The locals believe that observing the fast of Haritalika Teej and visiting Bhumeshwar Mahadev on the same day will fulfill your wishes. From here, you can see panoramic views of Pokhara Valley, Pheva Lake, paragliding, Pem, green hills to the south and west, Thaple Lake, Panchase, hot air balloon rides, ultralight flights and tourist destinations including Sarangkot. The Himalayas and the Vishwa Shanti Pagoda can also be seen from this place. Vishwa Shanti Stupa is just 3 to 4 kilometers away from here. Various peaks like Annapurna, Machapuchre, Nilgiri, Dhaulagiri, Manaslu etc. can be clearly seen from this place. Also, there is a model of Mount Sumeru, which is home to the shrines of Parvati and Shiva, a martyr's memorial, and a small statue of Lord Ganesha located in front of the dome. The temple welcomes Nepali and foreign visitors without any fee. This destination is open daily from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Just a short walk away is a park with statues of Durga, the goddess of strength and protection, and Kumar, the god of war. Adjacent to the park is Pokhara Dream City. I am also making a video about that dream city soon, so don't forget to watch it. where you can enjoy it to the fullest for just 250 rupees.
एक सय 8 ठ्याक्कै आज 108 हो यो
बढी छ अझै 108 का त्यो भगवानको राम्रो संख्या भन्ने 108
के को लागि हुन्छ यो
कसैलाई राजनीति इच्छा छ भने थाप्नु थाहा
ए बाजे
बिहान मिलेर
यो कसरी मानव कसरी नि यो बोटाको हजुर
1000 रुपैयाँ
धेरै सस्तो रहेछ है 108 छ
होइन यसमा रस मात्रै हाल्ने कि यो खानेकुरा पनि हाल्ने
रस मात्रै
यो कसरी रस बने त यो
यसलाई 5 वर्षसम्म तोरीको तेलमा भिजाउने अनि पकाउने यो दाउराको यस्ताको चाहिने आउनु
घुमाउने पिछाड चाहिँ हो गराना बेहु
टङ्क हिमाली मालिस तेल उद्योग
दिनु न सर राख्नु अहिले माथि फर्केर
पहिला हामी फर्केर
कोही सेन्टहरू
कहाँ लाउने
यो दुखेको ठाउँ
कुन बासना हो यो
दुई हात रगेटेर यसरी निचोड्छ।
अनि जता
ल मिस्नु हामी एउटा स्थानीय घुमेर आउँछ है
यस्तो
असर देख्यो भने फर्कौँला यही बाटो हो अरू छैन
तलले छ
समझो बोला रे जो खाना
माध्यमबाट नेपालमा निर्माण कार्यका लागि जानुहोस्।
Finally, we took a sightseeing tour of Pokhara Dream City. Not only the 51-foot tall Pumdikot Mahadev, located at an altitude of 1,500 meters above sea level, is now ready to be built on a hill in Pokhara, Kaski district of Nepal, but also the very fun Pokhara Dream City. It is still being upgraded, where you can enjoy it for just 250 rupees. The park offers a wide range of attractions and activities suitable for all ages, including lotus rides, palm and tower photo swings, glass bridges, an umbrella photo suites, and a Doko street. They also take their own photos and share them with us on Facebook. The hot air balloon ride in particular offers stunning views of the surrounding area. There are also free and paid attractions and food and drink. The park offers a great selection of Nepali and international cuisine. The park is also very family friendly, with plenty of activities for kids and adults. I recommend this place to anyone visiting Pokhara.
पिनुस भनेको बराम अलिअलि दिने भयो हैन भूख करने क्या है तो खाना खाना हो भूख करने का
क्या हो रहा है?
पैसा लाग्दैन टिकट
हो पैसा लाग्दैन फर्किँदैन लड्की त्यही राख्नु न ल आफ्नै फोटो भूख गर्ने क्या है खाना खाना हो पूरा लगी पूरा यहाँ छिपे करा छिन या अघि आइसक्यो बाटो देखेर हामी आइ आऊ बाटो चाहिँ चल्दैछ ए कुन आयो हामी ल यहाँसम्म मारे हो है यहाँ ठोक्छ त्यसरी आउने नो समाज जानु पर्छ ल काडो मुखा हाँ सुन बनाने के लिए आए कोई कुन बाटो हो कोई अब फेरि गरौँ बाहिर निस्किसकेको त धेरै सुविधा रहेछ त
झुमिया है हाँ क्यों लगा गजब का क्यों है ना क्यों होता है
Cameraman, do host ko. Gusto ko time dito. Time dito ako. Talbo na siya. Gusto ko sa Malaysia ya. Nomor. Cuma di dalam benar sama ni juga kita punya sini. Apa dia yang itu tu? Sampai apa? Sampai aku kamera kan? Foto gede, foto sama juga. Gede lah, lu ni apa foto? अच्छी नाम बता दो तो बात नहीं पता टाइम लगे जी लोग अब दूसरा संजीव को आने मुक्ता का ना बड़े बड़े आने ढूंढा कांचे ना वाले बोल रहे हैं सर सुनो वो संजीव को दूसरे बता सुझे जितना दूसरे जी मुझे एकदम में रम ना ने उन्नत दो दूसरे बता से तो जाने मुंबई जी को मजा बोली थी मैं आगे चल रहा एकदम है
कहीं क्या मिला था और ये फोड़नी है
Thanks for watching.